I just spent 10 minutes watching a video on how to sync pictures in ON1. And really it should have been like a 1 minute long video or maybe a 2 minute long video, which is what this one will be. Okay, so I'm in my catalog. I've already made the edits to an image. So as you can see here, this image has been converted to a black and white and it's got some vignetting around the edge. And I want to sync it with these other ones next to it. So starting with the one that I've made the edits to, I select that, and then on my keyboard, I'm going to hit Shift and over to the right to select the other. If you want to do just individual ones, let's say I also want to do this one here, I'm going to hit the Control button on my keyboard. So I've got these ones. That's my main. These are the ones I want to sync these settings to. Now, I'm going to hit Control-Alt-S on my keyboard. Sorry if you're a Mac user, I have no idea what that is on a Mac. As you can see, I get my Apply Settings box up here. This is where you can choose what to apply and what not to apply. So for example, let's say I cropped this initial one. I probably would want to uncheck that because I wouldn't want to apply that crop to all the rest of these. Same with maybe some of the other ones. Now this was applied via mask, so if I don't make sure to go to my effects and hit apply mask, it won't apply these. So make sure to double check that everything you want applied is applied, and you just click the little drop downs and you can then check and uncheck the ones that you want. And of course you have the option of all down here or none, change it however you want. And then hit apply. And that's really all there is to it. It'll take a minute or seconds or however long depending on how many you've selected, and you can see these other ones are now changing to match that black and white like the one that they copied from. So there you go. That's how to do that. 2.5 minutes, but that's probably because I spent the first 45 complaining about the person who just made me watch a 10-minute long video.